traveling from Saigon, Vietnam. Today I'm going to the Bui Vien walking street. Maybe this way. And then at the end of the route, you turn right. Let's explore. Today is Friday evening. The time is 8:20 p.m. I'm glad that it's not raining. There are massage shops on both sides of the street as well as a restaurant and hotels. I'm right here at the entrance. Lots of people. I can't even hear myself right now. There are restaurants on both sides of the Bui Vien walking street. We are going to the other end of the Bui Vien walking street. I'll show you guys more stuff. This is very special, the red color disco light. Wow. So this will be the more quiet zone. The Vietnamese restaurant here, very colorful. And look at the Vietnamese flags. There's even Indian food here, Chinese restaurant, beautiful lanterns. Actually on weekends the car cannot get in. Maybe the rule is not enforced closely, and there's a hotel right here. Wow. And guess what? There's a 7-Eleven in front and also some street food on the left side. BBQ, I saw it. So let's explore it for a while. Right here there's a tailor shop. Tailors tell suits since 2012. They have ordered in one day suits shirts, dresses. And there's also a spa right here. Facial, 150,000, and even a body massage, oil massage, 150,000. This is a quieter side of the Bui Vien walking street. So there's even street food. The corn, they call it the bap in Vietnamese, and the seller is doing his business right there. There's a chicken rice store, Singapore style, opposite, and there's a pork coffee tea cafe. As always, be careful of your own belongings, your wallets, your bags, backpacks, jewelry, gold, your cash. Do not flash too much cash and jewelry around because they are snatch thief and robbery as well as petty crime here, and even some fights in the late morning after 12 a.m. You just need to be aware of surroundings, even though it seems like it's safe here. So this street is famous not just for its pubs and restaurant, but also for people watching, foreigners and locals come here alike, especially in the weekend, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But the sad truth is, even the children, I'm not sure, maybe they sell some stuff,